So I'm studying now today blood transfusion. Important topic also because of your blood transfusion in medical office or house office you will see every day blood transfusion. You need to know the mechanisms. This will teach again in clinic in animal medicine again. This patho is intro. Then I will teach this. This is antigen and in the blood group. Mostly important is APO and others are accessory. Other blood group IH that we get a lot of reservoir antigens. If for your level, just know APO IH is enough. So you should know this table. If phenotype, if black group O, antigen is O, antibody, antigen, but antigen 0, usually you can detect as 0, so they have no antigen, but antibody they have anti-A, anti-B. A black group A, antigen A, their antibody to B, and then black group B, antigen B, and here is, and if you for example, if you have black group A and black group A, then you use the reagent antibody to the your blood. Then if you have black group A, if you have black anti-A, anti-B, this is not clear. I will explain later after the MOC more better with that figure. Here quite difficult to explain. The reagent we using. AB, BAB have antigen AB, but they have no antibody. O have no antigen, antigen O. They have no antigen, but they have antibody, anti-A and anti-B. So AAA also, I think you understand this mechanism from foundation. A can be genotype can be AA or AO. So that A, if you marry this AO and BO, man and woman, if they married, their offspring, their child well can be O black group also because they have genotype O also. This RH black group. And otherwise cell group, we have HLA system on chromosome 6. Red cell antigen, APO, this HLA antigen is class 1, class 2. So if antibodies positive in multiple pregnancy or multiple transfusion or graft, this can cause autoantibody, and these people are high risk for transfusion reaction because they have some antibody due to multiple pregnancy or transfusion or grafting. Platelet group. Platelet surface antigen is actually class 1. Transfusion, so from this topic you should know transfusion overview. Objectives, you need to know blood components, indication for transfusion, donor selection, and complications. Why you transfusion? You do quite easy blood replacement or sometimes therapeutic to replace clotting factor. For example, like DIC, clotting factor are lost, and some clotting factor deficiency like hemophilia, you can add blood transfusion to add a clotting factor, and you can do for correction of anemia. Type of transfusion can be whole blood or blood component, or separation. For example, this EDT, draw blood, this is whole blood, then centrifuge, you can see plasma white blood cell and hematocrit pale blood cell. If you want RBC alone, you can transfuse this packed cell volume only after centrifugation. If plasma portion, you can use FFP, fresh frozen plasma. Platelet, you can centrifuge and can collect platelet also. Whole blood means and separate the blood. If you collect from donor, do nothing, do centrifugation, and you can do transfusion. This is called whole blood. But this contains anticoagulant in solution. Because if you not anticoagulant in this container, your blood will be clotted. So you need to add some anticoagulant for blood not clotting in the blood pack. Component can be red cell only, or plasma only, or platelet concentrate only. At WBC, we not transfuse. Usually, we just try WBC because WBC can cause a larger reaction. Because this cell can attack donor cell. Plasma and platelet bind, collect bind E36, or sometimes you can use fresh frozen plasma. This E36 breast is wrong, it's just for knowledge only. Centrifuge, then platelet taken from this whole blood transfusion. Whole blood. How do you prepare blood? Whole blood, fresh plasma. This can be FFP, or this can platelet and cryoprecipitate. We can do also. Particle pool from 4 donor. You can take platelets. Platelet should be stored in room temperature. Red cell, another one, red cell only, red cell concentrate. This can store in 4 degrees Celsius. Platelet can store in room temperature only. So temperature is different. You need to aware. Platelet cannot store in 4 degrees Celsius. How many days? 4 degrees Celsius for 35 days. One, you indicate quite easy blood loss or exchange transfusion. This can indication for whole blood. Usually, whole blood not commonly used. This can replace blood volume and all blood products. This include if you transfusion whole blood fresh, platelet also include platelet or include. If you 40 Celsius storage for 1 day, 2 day, platelet already lost. So if you want the whole blood, whole components blood, you can transfuse whole blood freshly. Just collect and immediate transfusion to the patient. Then you can replace blood volume and all blood products. This is packed cell. This is most common type of blood transfusion. For the thalassemia patient, you use this packed cell, just red cell only, red blood cell only. They not include platelet, they not include plasma. This can use to increase oxygen carrying capacity of blood. So when you need transfuse, this can raise hematocrit by 2 to 3%. Platelet used in thrombocytopenia. Each platelet you need transfuse, this can increase 5,000 platelet after 1 hour. This platelet only. Fresh frozen plasma. This is used for coagulation factor deficiency. No RBC. 1 unit can increase clotting factor to 3%. So far, have you transfused FFP? Because you are hemophilia. Have you transfused FFP previously? Fresh frozen plasma. Have you experienced? Because you need to transfuse. If you this can increase your clotting factor 2 to 3% in 1 unit. You no need to transfuse PAC because you no need RBC. You need is clotting factor, coagulation factor only.
I transfer factor 8 inject by myself.
Another one, cryoprecipitate. Precipitate taken from FFP after throw at 40 Celsius, then you take precipitate. Then after calculation, refrozen again and store can 1 year to 18 months. This for 1 milligram, factor 6, factor 9. I think 5 you transfuse this one, cryoprecipitate, factor 8 or factor.
Yes.
13 deficiency and DIC. This can transfuse. So storage temperature, you should know whole blood and blood pressure 1 to 6, FFP less than minus 80, platelet 20 to 24, cryoprecipitate minus 80. Principle donor selection. Donor selection, we do some criteria. They use some criteria you can read in blood bank later in clinic. They have patient should not be have malaria history. Patient should not be sexually not active. No STD previous history. No, I'm gonna say no anemia history. No hemoglobin disorder history. Like for the 5, he cannot do. You cannot. I think you cannot do as donor, right? Because you have already fertile deficient. You are not possible. You cannot possible for donor. You cannot be possible for donor because donor criteria you are not fulfilled. So donor arrive, registration, check hemoglobin first. Okay, if okay, medical history counseling. They can be temporary defer or permanent defer. If hemoglobin low, defer. Then to physical examination. Then phlebotomy. Transfusion preparations. First, you do ABO-IH grouping. Second, cross-match me. You can match with donor cells and recipient serum. Then they match and they evaluate for agglutination. If then cross-match donor cells plus recipient serum match and then we wait for agglutination present or any reaction present or not. If no reaction, we can transfuse. And screening for SARS and other atypical antibodies in some area. And screening for infection like hepatitis B, C, HIV mainly. Malaria, another one, malaria. Malaria is what if you can test antibody or history only. Cross-matching, another one. Matching of blood components between patient and donor. What match red cell and plasma? Major match is patient C1 and donor RBC. Minor match is patient RBC and donor C1. Because of they have small amount of antibody only. Here, donor RBC and patient's C1 is they can contribute less amount of antibody and has greater if major cross match is impaired has greater impact. So we do both major and minor. C1 RBC, then patient reverse patient RBC donor C1. So this is just theoretical only. O is the universal donor, but nowadays we use O black group O only. If no choice, for example, O black group not available, we can use For example, AB blood group is universal recipient. So AB blood group, you can transfuse any blood, but this just theoretically only. And nowadays, AB blood group, we choose AB blood group donor only, O only. If you have no choice, for example, B blood group, the B blood and no B blood group donor, so we can transfuse O blood group. I think everybody knows this. RH positive negative is minor only. Usually we do RH negative, RH negative. But RH negative, you should get only RH negative blood. RH positive can get RH negative or RH positive. But this is RH negative blood patient, they should get only RH negative blood only. Donor should be RH negative only. Infection, you screen hepatitis B, C, syphilis, HIV, bacteria, malaria. Most so you must know topic is coming now. Transfusion reactions and infections. Among this chapter, the most important is transfusion reaction and infections. This is important. You must know. Most important title, and the whole topic is transfusion. You must know transfusion reaction and infections. Others are general things only. So what reaction? Immediate reaction and delayed reaction depends on duration. Immediate can be immunologic or non-immune can be bacteria or circulatory overload. Circulatory overload means you transfuse too much. Within short time, patient can suffer circulatory overload and can cause pulmonary edema and can die due to cardiac problem. Immunology can hemolytic, allergic, trolley. You will know later. You will know this short operation later. Allergic, trolley, and HFTR. Delay can be hemolytic or graft-versus-host disease and ion overload because of ion contained in this blood. This can cause ion overload, especially you see in thalassemia patient. So acute hemolytic transfusion reaction mainly caused by ABO, sometimes caused by RH. Usually, two data ABO and RH. RH antibody cross match, if you can see in RH negative patient receive RH positive blood group. So this antibody quite easy. What is the mechanism? Antibody activate complement causing intravascular hemolysis. Quite easy. Or if you have A blood group, transfuse B. This antibody reaction occur. Antibody, this can activate complement system and this can cause hemolysis. Symptoms occur within minutes. So after blood transfusion in clinical, you need to monitor every vital sign, blood pressure, pulse rate, and respiration rate in urine output you need to monitor the whole throughout the blood transfusion. Within minutes, within 15 minutes, 30 minutes, you need to monitor after transfusion. After 15 minutes or 30 minutes, you need to monitor the patient vital signs. Those are caused by human error, simple collection and identification wrong in testing. Because of what is my same name, same name. We can sometimes we human error we wrongly transfuse quite common. Sometimes you write the patient ID number wrong number then transfusion wrong. This is most common caused by human error. We wrongly transfuse. Can be fatal. So in hospital for blood transfusion, I think I'm not sure in Malaysia. My country house officer cannot sign for blood transfusion. Mean checking double check. Need to be signed by two medical officers. One officer from left, one officer from right. How officer is not eligible to sign for blood transfusion and cannot avail it. They are signed in the checking blood group also not avail it. Symptoms of this hemolytic crisis present with high fever and chest, blood pressure reduced, hypotension, abdominal pain, cause of hemolysis, present with renal failure and oliguria. Because not renal failure, shock. Because of shock, hypotension can reduce renal blood flow and cause oliguria. And dyspnea, dark urine, and pale hemoglobin urea, dark urine. So if you know, immediately stop obtaining blood or urine for transfusion reactions. Then send the remaining blood back to blood bank. This is just for knowledge. You should know this symptoms only. This is you learn again this how to do in internal medicine again. For pathology level, you should know just symptom of hemolytic transfusion reaction. Shock, patient will suffer chest and rigor, and because of pulmonary edema, dyspnea, reduced hypotension, reduced blood pressure can cause oliguria, reduced urine output, and hemolysis can cause dark urine. This non-hemolytic transfusion reaction is caused by leukocytes antibody. Patient react with donor antigen on WBC and platelet. If this one, you should know why cause. This detail, if you cannot remember, okay, just remember cause. Why? Leukocyte antibody. In the patient plasma react with leukocyte antigen, platelet antigen in the donor. So in thalassemia patient, we just transfuse black cell only. So this not include WBC and platelet, just red cell only. So this can avoid. This can prevent febrile reaction. So patient can present with fever, may or may not chest, rarely cause hypotension because this is caused by leukocyte WBC antigen. So present with febrile reaction only. But this needs to exclude of possible bacteremia because bacteria infection can present with fever also. Now that allergic reaction due to plasma protein or blood preservative. So allergic present with urticaria and wheezing. Treatment no need for you. Just treatment is just antihistamine or steroid or stop transfusion if allergic reaction. What is the sign and symptom? Normal allergic reaction, wheezing, urticaria caused by plasma protein or blood preservative. TRALI, transfusion-related acute lung injury. What is the main cause? Anti-leukocyte antibody. So TRALI lung injury, this can explain finding pulmonary edema without cardiac failure. So present with chest fever, cyanosis, hypotension. Because of lung injury, present with cyanosis because of oxygen transport is damaged, and present with hypotension and increased difficulty of breathing. Prevention, so reduce blood products. Sometimes we remove WBC portion. Nowadays we use blood transfusion after removing all WBC portion and then transfuse those. So there are allergic reaction, transfusion related, not allergic, transfusion related lung injury, and this one febrile reaction we can prevent. TRALI and this one we can prevent by transfusion blood without WBC. Another one, bacterial contamination. Nowadays, very rare because of their storage method not good. This can gram-positive Enterobacter. Nowadays, quite rare. Most severe with where we can see platelet transfusion. Why? Platelet are stored at room temperature and bacteria can contamination. Another one, circulatory overload, especially in children and elderly, because rapid increase in blood flow. If especially you can see in patient have previously cardiac or lung problem, if you transfuse too much within short time, you can suffer circulatory overload. This can cause also the same this can cause hemorrhage, cyanosis, and heart failure. So for you must know from this topic is hemolytic transfusion reaction. Hemolytic transfusion reaction, febrile, allergic, trolley, and circulatory overload. Bacteria is quite rare. You should know what is reaction are immediate, what reaction are delay also. These are important. Intro slide are just knowledge. But this blood protest you should know also because this is very useful in clinical. FFP platelet storage temperature, what 1 unit transfuse, what amount can improve this one, and this transfusion reactions important for not only currently but also you have the whole life. So okay, I will try my Kahoot now. Trying to if you fail, okay. Okay, for this blood transfusion, need to know this is quite important topic. You can see my slide. Hello.
Yes.
Can you see? So you try to answer by yourself first. I will not tell the answer at first. This true false question I write as true false, and if I not write as true false, this are single correct. You need to, like for example, this number 7 question, you need to choose any one correct answer only. For true false, you need to answer true false. You know. So I just randomly pick up.
Doctor, can you send it in the WhatsApp?
Huh?
Can you send it in the WhatsApp?
This question cannot send. I need to practice only. WhatsApp later. You need to see an answer first. Then I will show the answers later. I think later I need to collect a little bit and then I will send you WhatsApp later. Some practice only. So hypertrophy. What is true? What is false? Try to answer. Anyone? A, B, C, D, E. What is true? What is false? A, who? True.
A is false, sir. False.
B.
True.
Yeah, true. C.
True.
False. C false.
Oh, C is true. And what kind of pregnancy also?
Yeah, because it's called, is it with hyperplasia, right, doctor?
Yeah, hyperplasia plus
But it's
hypertrophy also. Yeah, can be hypertrophy.
Hypertrophy.
Yeah, hyperplasia. Both occur. Hyperplasia can be true, although this question is a little bit controversial. Yeah. Commonly seen, true or false?
True.
True. Yes.
True or false? E.
D is true, sir.
True. E is true.
So 5 example of hypovolemic shock. Quite easy.
is true.
Simon is true, right?
Yeah, just tell all questions. True for, true for.
Sure.
A is true.
What? Extreme vegetable. Because of what? True.
Extreme visualization.
A is true, B is wrong. C
D is true,
wrong.
right, sir? D
D
is
is
true.
true.
E is also true.
E is wrong.
E is false. It's seen in septicemic visualization. So, what is acute inflammation? Choice, only one. Say correct. A, B, C, D. What is the answer? Example. Choose one only. Say
A.
correct answer.
A.
Correct.
A, yeah.
E, number 9. Choose only one. Except you need to choose no chemical mediators. Others are true. One only false. You need to choose false. False one. What one is false? Quite easy.
Oh.
So what is false? Oh no, what is, you need to pick what answer. Single correct answer. Only one. You need to choose chemical. Other 3 are chemical mediator. Only one is no chemical mediator. You need to choose only one, which is not chemical mediator.
C, doctor.
C. Correct. So 10. Number 10 single correct also. 10, 11. Try to answer. They are single correct. Need to pick one answer only. Hey, edema. You should pick edema cannot cause pan. Cardiac failure cause edema, right? Why?
Wait. No.
Oh, C. 10 is C. 10 is C.
Yeah. Cardiac failure cause edema, very popular. So 11. Single correct answer.
Apoptosis.
Other people, who are they in the list? Where G today missing? Apoptosis, correct. Single correct answer. I should as well like this scenario and some question, but Kahoot cannot do like this. Kahoot need very short question only.
12 is C.
C, right? 12 C. Hello?
Only Shan only respond. Where other people no respond? Where Melissa?
Hello?
Hello, can you hear?
12 is C, right?
Can you Shan? Where no respond?
For 12 is C, right?
Where's 5? Where's your
Hello?
answer? 5, where's the answer for 12?
C.
Number 30.
The screen. I can see the question. I cannot see the question. The screen like.
Number 30. No, 13, 14.
Wait. Is it like his prostate enlarged for question number 30?
Yes.
Is it hyperplasia, doctor?
Hyperplasia.
No.
Yeah, hyperplasia.
Hyperplasia, right?
14.
Which of the following particularly complaint explain dependent edema?
Lymph.
It's C.
Hydros.
Why hydrostatic? Oh yeah, C. Edema, right?
Yeah, correct. 15, not too good question. What is derived from plasma? So, chemical media group can answer this one. 15 question. Question 15.
It's quinine.
Yeah, quinine, correct. You guys are not too important. This question not too good. I mean, not too good. Secondary one pollution. So, try answer number 17. Choose anyone.
HC.
Yeah. 18.
Oh, it's coagulation necrosis. C.
Yeah, quite harsh only. So I have meeting now 11, nearly 11:30. I will continue MCQ tomorrow. Another practice.
Okay, doctor.
Okay.